Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I am just ecstatic that spring is finally here. It felt like it was a long winter and I am ready to sit outside. But along with warm weather comes a lot of bugs and I'm not all for that. But now with this bug zapper, I can sit outside in peace and know that the bugs and mosquitoes are not going to bite me. I love this solar powered bug zapper. It's everything that I wanted it to be. It has a very large solar panel on the top that keeps it running for hours. It also has a little trap in the bottom so you can get all the dead bugs out. And it's got a light feature that has 3 different tones on it. So that is better to attract the bugs with. And it also has a charging port if you need it, but I haven't had to use it. I've used it several times. I love that it's portable. I took it to my parents' house when we had a barbecue, and it works fantastic. I also love the fact that it's waterproof. This solar powered bug zapper is so low maintenance. You can just leave it outside all the time and it's going to work whenever you need it to. It also has a smart mode. So if you wander inside and forget to turn it off for the night, it'll turn itself off. So if you're in the market for wonderful summer nights with bug-free environment, then you have found it in this. And that's my point of view.